Today's video guys ay gagawa tayo ng melon juice dahil ngayon ay sobrang init. Summer na summer. I-slice muna natin ito, ang ating melon, kasi lalagyan natin ito ng milk and sugar, instant juice na ito. Alright, so napakainit talaga. Kailangan natin makapag-survive sa panahon ngayon dahil syempre alam nyo na, summer na summer, kailangan natin overcome ang summer in the Philippines, no? This is you know that our country is a tropical country. That's why it's too hot, and we have two kind of weather here in the Philippines, like rainy and sunny. So right now it's summer. That's why it's so very hot. So we have to overcome the super heat climate here in the Philippines. Okay. So before anything else, have to put this seeds in the side of the container, so that where can we put this one? I'll just put it first here, so that we can start our melon juice. All right. So just set aside there. Pagkatapos niyan, kakayurin muna natin. Yan, kayod-kayod lang. Pagkayod natin, dahil wala tayong pangkayod, no? Alright, ganito yung gagawin natin. For alternative way of how can we make a melon juice. So, napakasarap na ito. Oh, ikakayurin lang natin until na mag-separate yung kanyang mga fruits. So, our continuation for our melon juice, ganitin lang natin, kakayurin lang natin yan. Wala tayong pangkayod na talagang standard for pangkayod. That's why we have an alternate process. Ayan, tinidor lang yan ang ating ginawang paraan. Pero ngayon mga guys, super sarap na ito kapag matapos natin gawa yung ating melon juice for everybody's survival for the very hot and the very high temperature and the very super heat temperature here, degree centigrade. How much is the centigrade of the heat index here in the Philippines? 47. So it's too hot. That's why we have to make this one. All right. So we'll just continue making this juice. Okay. All right. Kakayurin lang natin ang kayurin yan. After natin magkayod, yan, nag-juice na siya, no? So, ganun lang kadali ang paggawa ng juice kung wala tayong pangkayod dito, no? Meron talagang pangkayod kasi dito na ginagamit. So, ito naman ay alternatibong paraan paano natin magawa ng juice. Ayan. After nyan, kukutsarahin na natin syempre. Okay? After natin kutsara, okay? So, after natin malagyan yan, after natin makayo,